Hey, welcome back guys. So today on this video, we are talking about your movie files or video files on your Mac. And more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video. And that is, how do you rotate your video files using just your Mac? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off, guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to rotate your video files on your Mac anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running an online business, especially if you're doing content, you know that sometimes videos come in sideways, so you need to rotate them. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled directly in your Mac. Of course, you can take care of this in your video editor, but if you have a Mac, you can easily rotate them without having to open up an application or pay for a service or even download an application. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. But I've already opened up a couple of videos on my Mac. As you can see right here, this is a .mov file. If we scroll over, it's a QuickTime movie. Now, we don't even really need to open up the video, but I'm going to open it up just to show you what it looks like. Okay, so here is a video. You can see it's upright, but that doesn't really matter. In order to rotate this, all you're going to do is just click on the file, this one in blue, and then you're going to right click on it. Once you right click on it, you're going to see this button here, Quick Actions. Once you do that, you want to click on Rotate Left. Okay, now you can see that it rotated left. So depending on the angle of the video, you might have to do this a couple of different times. So let me close this out. So if we rotate it one more time, it's going to be upside down. And then another time, it's going to be kind of flipped. So we have to do this 3 more times. So let me close this out. And I'm going to go ahead and right click, action, rotate left. That's one time. Right click, action, rotate left. And then this last time, let me open it up and show you what it looks like right now. Okay, you can see it's still sideways. So we have one last turn to go. So I'm going to go ahead and right click, quick actions, rotate left. Now, when I open it up, it should be upright, as you can see right here. So this works with various video types. It doesn't necessarily need to be a QuickTime movie like what I have right here. So there you have it, guys. If you're looking to rotate a video using just your Mac, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up, or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.